Here's a quick little stretch, taking a break from my computer. I did a walk today, but I need to stretch, so I might as well videotape it so you can see. All right, first one I'm doing is a hip twist. Stretching out the hips, stretching out the lower back. Great stretch right here. Coming here to the side. Love this stretch right here. Let me take it this way for you. Come here. Oh, yes. Put it back to the middle. Since I was sitting down, I stretched my hip flexors out. So I'm bringing this leg over top of here. Go right here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch it up, same way over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This stretch might be tough, but I love this stretch because it stretches my shoulders out. So I'm coming up here, just going straight up, stretching my shoulders and my hips. Love this one right here. And of course, I love my pole stretch here. When you sit down, the hamstrings get so tight. So, I love to stretch it in the middle here. Taking it to the side. Other side. If you don't mind laying on the floor, it's a good stretch to stretch your lower back out because that gets tight when you're laying down, when you sit in the chair as well. So you come here, and you're gonna go here. I like to bring both of them in right here. And I like to go to my stomach. All I'm gonna do is push back. Stretching the abs out. And if you reposition where your hands are, you're going to feel them in different places. So if you come all the way up here, you're going to feel it more in your top abs. You come back further, feel it a little bit more in the whole abdominal area. And then I'll come back and I'll sit back here like this. Stretch the lower back out a little bit more. And the other one I like to do is I like to come and bring my arms through here like this. And I like to take it back here. So I bring it here. I take it back. Again, come here. Take it back. Come here. Take it back. Alright, so that was just a little quick stretch I did. Just because I got sick of sitting at the table. So why not videotape as well so I can share it with somebody else. All right, have a great day.